How to use Jasper I writing tool properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Jasper I is a powerful writing assistant, but most beginners use it in ways that waste time and produce subpar content. The surprising truth is, I don't automatically generate high-quality copy. You need strategy and structure to get the best results. One common mistake is skipping the setup step. Jasper allows you to provide context about your audience, tone, and purpose. Without this, outputs can feel generic, off-brand, or relevant. For example, telling Jasper you're writing a sales email for a tech-savvy audience will produce much better copy than leaving it blank. Another error is over-relying on I for entire drafts. Beginners often copy-paste Jasper's content without reviewing it. While I can speed up writing, it doesn't fully understand nuance, accuracy, or your brand voice. Always edit, fact-check, and tweak outputs to match your style. Not using templates effectively is another problem. Jasper provides frameworks for blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and more. Skipping these tools forces you to start from scratch and reduces efficiency. Templates guide structure, headings, and flow, making your copy stronger and easier to read. Many users also ignore commands and output variations. Jasper can generate multiple options for the same prompt. Beginners often settle on the first result. Exploring variations allows you to select the best phrasing or combine ideas for higher quality content. Finally, beginners fail to integrate Jasper into a consistent workflow. I is most effective when paired with research, planning, and editing. Using it in isolation produces inconsistent results. Treat Jasper as a collaborative tool, not a replacement for your expertise. To use Jasper I properly, provide clear context, review outputs, leverage templates, explore variations, and integrate it into your workflow. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll produce faster, smarter, and more compelling content that actually converts.